The Festool Capex miter saw is the most accurate miter saw on the planet. In fact, the second most accurate miter saw doesn't even come close. Let me show you how accurate it is. I'll set this up for a zero cut. And with a highly accurate digital protractor, 90 degrees. Uh-oh, what's up? I just cut a zero and I got 90. That's way off. Let me try another cut. I'm going to cut a 30-degree cut. $120. What's going on? I'll tell you what's going on. Every miter saw made is wrong. Carpentry is about geometry. And if you use your protractor and you do the math and you come and set your saw with the numbers that your calculator gives you, it's going to be wrong. For some reason, those who invented the miter saw decided to make a 90-degree cut zero. So every measurement is off by 90 degrees. There is a workaround though that's an easy fix that you can do to help you when you're doing the math. On the zero, write 90, and then on a couple of the other ones, give yourself some dimensions as well so that you can quickly do the math. You can do them every 5 degrees or 10 degrees. They're there to remind you to either add or subtract 90 depending on whether it is an acute or an obtuse angle. Well, hopefully this little tip will help you be more accurate when you're using your protractor. If you like these woodworking tips, be sure to subscribe, and right next to the subscribe button you'll see a little bell. If you click on that, you'll be notified when I drop a new video. And if you want to support the channel, you can use my Amazon store link that's in the description of the video down below, and Amazon will share a little bit with us to support the channel and not charge you any extra. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.